Afternoon, Agent at Engine Carbon Clean. We are down in Kettering this afternoon, and we've got a bit of a rare treat. Mk1 TT diesel. Yeah, I'm just going to say that again. Mk1 TT diesel. Not many of those around, and that's because this one has been converted. So I don't think they ever came with a diesel. This one has had a diesel engine put in it, 1.9 TDI. Now, I think this was done by a previous owner. The owner of this one's picked it up, and yeah, very odd lifting the bonnet on this and seeing that engine in there. Very odd hearing that sound as well, coming from a Mk1 TT. But yeah, getting very, very good fuel consumption on this one compared to a standard petrol Mk1. We're here today trying to get it cleaned up. It is pretty bassy, quite smelly in terms of the smoke. It's also, he wants to see if we can get a bit more miles per gallon out of it. So I've done the diagnostics on it. There's an overfuel on injector 4. That's not disappearing when we rev it as well, so that might be a slightly worn injector. That's something you can obviously follow up with that one. Yeah, it's idling a little bit high as well, and the MAF readings look a little bit high. But obviously with this having the engine transplanted, very difficult to tell what it should really be doing. We can only go on what the data is showing. Otherwise it appears to be running okay, apart from it's a bit hard to start. But yeah, I'm just going to let you feast your eyes on this Mk1 TT with a 1.9 diesel engine in it. Something I thought I'd never see. Glad to see it. So certainly great fuel economy on this. I'll get some more pictures posted up later.